Sweetie, have you finished your homework yet?
Not yet, Mom. I was just about to start.
That's good. Remember, it's better to start early.
I know, but sometimes I feel lazy.
Everyone feels that way. The trick is to start, and then it gets easier.
Maybe I'll try that today.
Which subject do you want to do first?
Math, because it's the hardest for me.
Great choice. Do the hard one first, then the easy ones will feel lighter.
Okay, I'll try my best.
Do you want me to sit with you while you solve the problems?
Yes, please. It helps me focus.
All right, let's look at the first question together.
Oh, I think I know this one already.
That's wonderful. Confidence grows when you try.
Thanks, Mom. I feel better now.
How about reading after math?
Sure. Reading is fun for me.
That's because you have a creative mind.
I like imagining the stories in my head.
Good. Reading will also help your writing.
Really? I didn't know that.
Yes. The more words you see, the better you write.
Then I'll read more every day.
What about science homework? Do you have any?
Just a small project. I have to draw the solar system.
That sounds exciting. Do you want to add colors?
Yes, I want to make it look beautiful.
That's the spirit. Learning should be fun, not boring.
I like it when you say that, Mom.
Sometimes people think studying is only hard work, but it can also be joyful.
Maybe I'll enjoy it more if I think that way.
Exactly. Change the way you look at it.
Like a game instead of a chore?
Yes. Solve it like a puzzle.
That sounds fun.
Do you want to set a small goal today?
Yes. Maybe finish math and science before dinner.
Perfect goal. I'll reward you with your favorite fruit.
Yay! That makes me happy.
Happiness makes the brain learn better.
Then I'll smile while studying.
Good idea. A happy student is a strong learner.
Mom, you're like my cheerleader.
I'll always cheer for you. You can do anything.
That makes me feel brave.
Do you want to review yesterday's lesson too?
Okay. That will help me remember.
Yes, reviewing makes knowledge stronger.
Like building a strong house with bricks?
Exactly. Every study session is another brick.
Then I'll build a tall house of learning.
That's a beautiful dream. Keep building little by little.
I will, Mom.
Do you feel tired?
A little. But I want to finish my goal.
That's determination. I'm proud of you.
Thank you, Mom.
When you study with love, success will follow.
I'll remember that always.